Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on a laptop. First, let's ensure your laptop meets the game's system requirements. You'll need a capable processor, a dedicated graphics card, and sufficient RAM for smooth gameplay. Make sure you have at least 110 gigabytes of free storage. An internet connection is also essential for updates and the game's online features. Verifying these specifications is the crucial first step to a great gaming experience. Once your laptop is ready, purchase and download Forza Horizon 5 from your preferred digital storefront. After installation, dive into the game's settings. You'll want to fine-tune the graphics to balance visual quality with smooth frame rates. Experiment with different resolutions and detail levels to find what works best for your specific laptop. For the best experience, many players prefer using a dedicated game controller over a keyboard. Now that you're in the game, explore the vibrant open world of Mexico, participate in thrilling races, and complete challenges. Don't hesitate to join online sessions to compete with friends or other players worldwide. If you encounter any performance issues, a common solution is to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Regularly checking for and installing the latest drivers can significantly improve stability and frame rates. To further enhance your Forza Horizon 5 experience, consider connecting external monitors for a wider view or high-quality headphones for immersive audio. If your laptop still struggles with the game's demands, cloud gaming services offer a powerful alternative, streaming the game to your device. And for those moments when you're not racing, remember you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.